What's up, Knights of Dames? Castleman here in the fort yet again with another daily dose of myself. How are y'all doing today? My day is going pretty good so far. Gotten a few good orders. I gotta work all day, but I haven't worked in 3 days since I had drill and class yesterday, so time to make some money. So for class I gotta do a special person, place, or time speech, and I chose Las Vegas for special place / time because I went to Las Vegas with my dad. I think it was March. No, it was before March, like February. I forget. I didn't even forget. Anyway, my 3 main topics are casinos, nightlife, and the shopping. So I have to talk for 3 to 4 minutes about my trip to Las Vegas, which I'm sure won't be too hard. And then the speech after that is an informative speech. Basically, we have to kind of educate the class about a hobby we're into or something we want to learn more about. But I chose to give a speech about vlogging, video blogging. So I just kind of got my main topics here, but I don't know everything I'm going to talk about. But I think this will kind of, I don't know, it interests me, obviously, since I do it every freaking day, make a video. So I think it'll be pretty easy for me to talk about. And I think I have to go like 4 to 5 minutes on that speech. So they told me to pick up an order at 5:15 to deliver around 6. It's only 5 minutes away. That I don't understand. But I'm gonna kill some time here at the Halloween store, because why not? Whoa, try me. Let's try it. Oh, so scary.
You shouldn't be afraid of things that go bump.
Step here.
Hasn't your mother ever told you that it's okay to play with dead?
It's not doing anything. Let's try this one.
Don't be afraid. Come a little closer. That's right. Here, let me stand up so I can see you.
Yes. Now I can see you.
This makes me kind of want to decorate our yard for Halloween. Put something out there. I don't know, scare kids. Brains. I think this would be pretty freaky for a prank or something. Because this mouth moves, like this little piece sits on your chin, I think. And it can make the mouth move. That one's pretty freaky. And that one's, I don't think that one's as freaky. I think that'd be cool to do like a drive-through prank with this mask on. I love Halloween stores. I wish I had a ton of money to blow on Halloween stuff. I would deck the house out every year. Horses and cows. Well, there's horses. Here's a couple cows there. I wouldn't mind raising a little livestock, get some land when I get older. I know I've talked about that before. I just dropped off to some Amish. I always thought it'd be cool to, spend a month or 2 during their peak season or something, see how hard they work and experience the Amish life. I don't know, that'd be kind of cool. Alright guys, that's all I got for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Give this a like if you like if you like, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright.